nervous. Oh my God, look at the bridge coming up. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
So we're about 3 minutes into this trip of Tonya driving, so she's just starting to get, actually she's not even starting to get used to it yet. She's just feeling it. We're on the highway already. Just getting her comfortable with it so she can drive anytime she wants to. We're at the Carolina Indie Fest in Sanford, North Carolina. We just came up here for a long weekend and spent some time listening to some good music, have some good food.
I'm Tonya.
I'm Gabe.
And together we're breaking home base RV.
We searched high and low for an RV park in the beautiful sandhills of North Carolina that would be within a 30-minute drive to Sanford, North Carolina. With not a lot of options, we happened upon the Airport RV Park. Located in Carthage, it's at 60 miles southwest of Raleigh and 12 miles north of famed Pinehurst. This privately owned little airstrip has 30 and 50 amp electrical service, including city water and sewer. The Wi-Fi was spotty at best, along with the cell service.
It's important to note that they do not have a public restroom facility on the property. Reservations were made by a direct email to the owner. We rented in the new section that's still under construction.
The park is pet friendly, although quite messy with lots of wet red clay. We had plenty of nice grassy walking on the perimeter of the airfield. At $40 per day, we give this long weekend a thumbs up. We were in town to see Delaware's top indie band, HaHa Charade. You couldn't meet a greater group of guys, and the lead singer happens to be Tonya's son, Alex. Let's get to it.
Today we're at the Carolina Indie Fest in Sanford, North Carolina.
It's religious, I think.
Well, it's not very busy down here. What you gonna get?
I don't know. A couple of tacos.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. But you know you ain't lost yet. Well, maybe I know how it feels, a guiding light for progress, pushing you towards the groove. You know the vibe, ain't lost yet. You remember remember the days when the past seemed much clearer. Reflect on your ways with the fog on the mirror. Maybe I know how it feels, no guiding light for progress. Pushing you towards the groove, you know the vibe ain't lost yet. It ain't lost yet.